So in front of me I've got SONY earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to check software version and update. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected to your headphones app. And now, if there's any update available, you'll get notification right here on the bottom of the screen. Enter more info. And as you can see, the latest headphones software is available. Version 4.1.0. Tap Start to update the software version. Firstly, make sure that the battery level of both smartphone and earbuds are efficient. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.